Hello and welcome back to our channel.
Today we are going to guide on how to grow mango from seed at home. Mango is a delicious and tropical fruit enjoyed by many around the world.
In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of growing your very own mango tree from seed.
With a bit of patience and care, you can enjoy the fruits of your labor for years to come. So let's get started.
Step 1. Selecting a ripe mango. The first step in growing a mango tree from seed is to choose a ripe mango.
Look for a mango that is fully ripe, with no blemishes or signs of rot. A ripe mango will have a sweet aroma and yield slightly to pressure when gently squeezed. Step 2. Removing the seed.
Once you have selected your ripe mango, carefully cut away the flesh to reveal the seed inside.
Be cautious not to damage the seed as you extract it from the fruit.
Step 3. Cleaning the seed.
After removing the seed from the mango, wash it thoroughly under running water to remove any remaining fruit residue. This will help prevent mold and rot as the seed germinates.
Step 4. Drying the seed.
After cleaning, allow the mango seed to air dry for a few days in a warm, well-ventilated area. Make sure the seed is completely dry before moving on to the next step. Step 5. Preparing the seed for planting. Once the seed is dry, carefully remove the outer husk to reveal the inner seed. Use a sharp knife to make a small cut in the husk, being careful not to damage the seed inside. Gently pry open the husk to expose the seed.
Step 6. Planting the seed. Now it's time to plant the mango seed.
Fill a small pot with well-draining soil, such as a mixture of potting soil and perlite. Place the seed in the pot with the flat side down and cover it with soil, leaving the top of the seed exposed.
Step 7. Watering and care.
Water the newly planted seed thoroughly, ensuring that the soil is evenly moist but not waterlogged. Place the pot in a warm, sunny location, such as a windowsill or greenhouse, where it will receive plenty of sunlight.
Step 8. Germination.
With proper care, the mango seed should begin to germinate within 2 to 4 weeks. Keep the soil consistently moist during this time, but avoid overwatering as this can cause the seed to rot.
Step 9. Transplanting.
Once the seedling has grown to a height of 6 to 8 inches and has developed several sets of leaves, it's time to transplant it into a larger pot or into the ground outdoors. Choose a sunny spot with well-draining soil for optimal growth. Step 10. Continued care. Continue to water and fertilize your mango tree regularly, especially during the growing season. Prune any dead or damaged branches to encourage healthy growth and protect the tree from pests and diseases as needed.
Conclusion.
And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to grow mango from seed at home. With a little patience and care, you can enjoy the satisfaction of growing your own mango tree and harvesting delicious fruit for years to come. We hope you found this video helpful and happy gardening.